So I found this silly bird stuck in my bird feeder. We're gonna try to pull him out. He got his head stuck.
You see him there?
He's really cute. I don't know if you can see his little head down there, but it's quite stuck.
Whoops. Poor guy.
I know, he's traumatized.
I'm really traumatized by the time I'm done with him. Okay.
He's really cute and red.
He's upside down, even worse right now.
Yeah. Little bird butt.
Alright, get your head out of there.
Oh,
well, now he's inside.
Now he flew in, so now I have a new pet.
Okay.
We're just gonna close him in there. Yeah, he's quite he's a silly bird.
I'm gonna open this more.
Alright.
Go the other way. Oh.
Oh! Out of the garage.
Must be on the toolbox.
Yeah, he's hiding in Chris's stuff now. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Oh, bye-bye.